Hello everyone, welcome to my channel One Stop Placement. In previous videos, we have seen introduction to strings and we have seen plus and star operator in strings. Now we will discuss some built-in functions in strings. Now let us start with length operator. Length operator is used to find the length of a string. For example, if you take s is equal to hello world, it will count the number of characters in a string and it will give you the number as a result. For example, if you take hello world, the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So length will return you answer as 10. Now next function is upper of. It is used to convert all the letters of a hello world to uppercase. Then the output will be HELLO space WORLD. It will be all in a uppercase letters. And next one is lowercase of. Next one is lower of. It will convert every letter to an lowercase and it will give you as hello world. And the next function is upper of. It will return either true or false. It will return true if all the characters in a given string is in uppercase, and it will return you false even any character is in lowercase, and so it will give you false in this uppercase. And is lower of, it will return true if all the characters in a strings are in lowercase, or else it will give false. So here h is capital, so it will give you false. Is all num of, it will return true if string contains only numbers or digits. It should not contain any spaces, so it is containing space here, so it will return you false. And is alpha of, it will return true if only the numbers, if only the characters in the string are alphabets. Here space is there, so it will return you false. And is digit of, it will return true if given string is containing only numbers. So here containing alphabet, so it will return you false. And capitalize of, this capitalize is used to convert the first letter of a sentence to a capital letter. So it will give you hello world space world. It does not check the next words of the hello world. It will check only the first letter. And this title of is same as the capitalized, but it will check the every word and the first letter of every word should be uppercase. For example, if you take hello world, it will give you answer as hello world in this way. It will check the every word and the first letter of every word should be capitalized. And count of, it will count the particular character of a string. For example, if you want to count L, we will give as s dot count of L. Then it will give you the number of L's in a given string. So there are 3, so it will return you 3. Replace of, if you want to replace any character with another character, for example, if you want to replace s dot replace of character L to some character X, then it will return X to L to X, and it will return you HEXXOWORXD. It will return you in this way. And center of, it is used to center the word. For example, if you take s dot center of 50, it will take 50 characters and it will print the given string in the middle, and it will leave some space in front and back. So for example, if you give center of 50, it will give hello world in the center and it will give spaces in front and back. Finally, this hello world will be placed at the center of the 50 characters. And index of, it is used to find the particular index of a particular character. For example, if you want index of L, then we'll write as s dot index of L, then it will give you the first occurrence index. Here HELLO index is 0, 1, 2. It will return you 2. And find is also used to find the index of a character, but it will give, for example, if you find L, it will give you 2. Then what is the difference between index and find? If there is no character present here, for example, if you take s dot index of x, there is no x in this hello world, then if you print s dot index of, it will give you error because x is not present in the hello world. But if you write s dot find of x, it will give you -1. This is the difference between index and find. Starts with, if you write s dot starts with of capital H, it will give you true, otherwise it will give you false. Here if let us take s dot start with of capital H, then it will give you true. If you take the ends with operation, it is used to check the character is ending with the letter given in the parameters or not. Let us take index ends with D, it will give you true. If you give you capital D also, it will return you false. And the next function is space of. If the string taken is containing only spaces, it will return true. Here it is containing alphabets also, so it will return you false. Split off. Here, for example, if you take hello world, it will split based on the spaces. Here, hello space world. So it will give you in the list format like hello as one and world as the other one, because it will take the split as the space and it will split the words. And swap case of, it will convert every uppercase to lowercase and every lowercase to uppercase. For example, if you take hello world in this way, it will give you hello world in this way. You will get the answer in this way. And next one is identifier of. We have a rule for the identifiers. We should not start with the numbers. We should start with alphabet or any underscore, and we should not contain any spaces. Here hello space world, so it will give you false. If there is no space between hello and world, it will give you true. But if you take s is equal to sun, then it will give you true. And is title of, and for example, if you take hello world, is this following the rule of the title function? Here title function needs every word should starts with a capital letter. Here W is starting with a small letter, so it will return you false. R index of, index is used to find the index of a character, but R index is used to find the index of a character from last onwards. For example, if you give s dot R index of some L, it will give you from the last, it will give you the answer as 9, but this index value gives the value from the beginning and it will give you 2. This is the difference between normal index and R index. And same like find and R find. If the given character is not present in the string, it will return you -1. Strip off. For example, if you take s is equal to space 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 some banana and space, if you write s dot strip off, it will give you directly as banana. It will take the all preceding and succeeding spaces and it will give you directly as banana. And in this we have two types, L strip and R strip. L strip is used to remove the left side spaces and R strip is used to remove the right side spaces. For example, if you take this s is equal to space 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 banana space space space, then if you write s dot L strip off, it will give you banana and it will give you the spaces at the last as given in the given string. And if you write R strip, it will give you the front spaces and it will print banana, it will not give the last spaces. Now we will discuss everything clearly in the demonstration part. Let us take s is equal to hello world. If you want to print s, you will get hello world. Now let us start with an length function. This is used to find the length of a string. For example, if you take length of s, it will give you 11, and the next one is uppercase s dot upper of, it will give you everything in the capital letters, and this answer does not affect the original string. We should always concentrate on the original string as hello world. You should not concentrate on the operations what you are doing. And the next one is lower of s dot lower of, it will convert the given string into the small letters. And the next one is upper of, it is used to check given characters are in uppercase or not, so it is giving false because it contains small letters also. And s dot is lower of, it will check all the characters in the strings are lower letters or not. So here h is a capital, so it will give you false. And next one is s dot is all num, it is giving false because here it is containing space. So if there is no space, it will give true. And the next one is alpha s dot is alpha of, it will return true if all the characters are alphabets, but here it is containing space, so it is giving false. And the next one is s dot is digit of, it will contain true if all the characters in a given string is numbers, but it is contains alphabet, so it is giving false. And the next one is capitalize s dot capitalize of, it is giving the first letter of a string to capital letter. And next one is s dot title of, it will give you capital letter for each and every word in a string, but this capitalize only gives the first letter of a string, and this title is used to give capital letters for every word. So here old w is also giving capital in title. And the next one is starts with s dot starts with of, let us take capital H, it is giving true because the given string is starting with capital H. And s dot ends with of, let us take small d, it is giving true because the given string s is equal to hello world is ending with small d. And next one is index of s dot index of, let us take letter L. See, it is giving true because the first letter, first occurrence of the letter L is index is 2, so it is giving 2. And next one is s dot find of, let us take L, it is giving 2. Then what is the difference between index and find? If the character is not present in the given string, for example, if you take s dot index of some character z, see, it is giving you error because z is not present in the given string. But if you take s dot find of some z, it is giving you -1. And the next one is count function. It is used to count the particular character in a string. For example, if you want to count s dot count of L, it will give you the number of occurrences of an L. It is giving value 3. And the next one is split off. If you want to split, for example, if you take s is equal to hello world, this split function is used to split the words based on the spaces. So if you give s dot split of, it will return you the list, and it will take the first word as hello and second word as world, and the next one is e space of. If the given characters in a string are all spaces, it will give you true, otherwise it will give you false. Here all the characters are not spaces, so it is giving false. And the next one is replace of. S dot replace of some letter L to, you have to change to X. See, it is giving X in the place of L. And the next one is center of. If you want to center the word, for example, s dot center of, let us take some 40. See, it is giving the word in the middle out of 40 characters in a string. It will give you the space before and after, and it will put the word in the middle. And the next one is swap case. It is used to swap from lowercase to uppercase and uppercase to lowercase. See, in the given string, s is equal to hello world, h is capital, but it is giving small in the answer. It will change from upper to lower and lower to upper. And the next one is identifier of. If we take correct identifier, it will give you true. But here it is giving false because in hello world the space is there. We should not use space in the identifiers. And the next one is title of. S dot title of. If it follows the title of function, it will give you true. But here it is giving false because in title of function every word should be, every character of every word should be capital. But here in the hello world W is small, so it is giving you false. And the next one is R index. Index is used to find the first occurrence from the beginning, and this R index is used to find the index of a character from backwards. See, it is giving you answer as 9 because from the last the first occurrence value L index value is 9, so it is giving 9. And the next one is find of. S dot or find of some L, it will also give you the answer 9, but if the character is not present in the given string, it will give you -1. And the next one is strip of. It is used to strip the spaces and it will give you the only word. Now let us take st is equal to space Surya space, and if you want to use s2 dot strip of, it will give you Surya. In this strip we have two strips. One is left strip and other is R strip. If you give s2 dot L strip of, it will give Surya in this way. It will remove all the spaces from left of the word and it will give the remaining one. If you use f2 dot R strip of, it will remove all the spaces after the word and it will give you the answer in this way. Thank you.